Hello, I'm John Filkey from Ag IQ Australia, and I'm over in California for their almond harvest. Have you wondered what is the moisture content of your almonds in the stockpile? Moisture content is going to affect the processability, where the almonds are used, and who will be the final customer. So what I have is a product that can be used to save you time and money. So instead of taking samples, going to the laboratory, cracking them out, putting them into a moisture testing machine, we can use this moisture sphere to simply measure the kernel moisture content right here in the stockpile. So all we need to do is take this sphere, insert it into the stockpile and turn it on. How does it work? Well, it is picking up the temperature and the humidity of the air in the stockpile. What we're relying on is that the almonds, the kernel, the shell and the hull are reaching equilibrium with each other with their relative humidity. And so by measuring the conditions of the air, we're actually measuring the conditions of the kernel. So if you have a look here, you'll see what the moisture content of the kernels are. And you can see here it's about 4.1% kernel moisture content. Without taking them a sample, without cracking them out, we can measure that. We can see how it works and what it's measuring. It's actually measuring the relative humidity, 41% in between the almonds, and a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius, or for those in Fahrenheit is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've got one measurement here. We can go simply along this stockpile and insert the sphere along here to look at the moisture content. We can come back to that original screen. You can see here it measures the battery voltage. We can put in offset values, and there we are, 4.1% again at this location. You can see it's slightly changing. The conditions here are slightly different in the stack, but it's very similar at this location. Up here, again, inserting the sphere in there. The sphere is at a temperature very close, now it's the same temperature as the almonds, which is a very important. And we'll just move down to the end of the stockpile, just to have a look along the stockpile. We can insert the sphere in here and see right at this far end, about 4.4, maybe it's increasing up here. So there we are, we have the Ag IQ moisture sphere. As I say, they're available in lengths of 1 metre and 2 metres, depending on your needs. Thank you for listening.